Well, welcome back, folks. Today is the day and I finally introduced a big farm tractor to my channel. I am out here at my grandparents' house actually for a 4th of July party, and I showed up with a battery and some tools, and me and my grandfather, we pulled this out of the barn over there, and a little bit of work, mostly flushing the fuel system and cleaning up the ignition points, and she fired right up. So I'm just trying out my new to me Farmall Cub here. I think this is going to be a nice addition to my little collection of International Harvester stuff. This tractor has kind of an interesting story. It was actually my grandfather's business partners, I believe, and my grandfather ended up with it, and it sat in the barn for about 4 years, but when it was parked it was, I guess, a good runner. So, and I mean, it seems to be doing pretty well now too. He's actually got another one in the barn, and that one's his tractor, and it's restored. He completely rebuilt it and painted it, but that one's still in the barn at this point. This is a 1950 model year. The other one's a 1951. The 1951 has an alternator. This one has a generator, and they're both 6-volt. This does have a hydraulic lift. It obviously needs some fluid. I'm going to throttle it up. Needs more hydraulic oil before it'll function. You can kind of see where it all leaked out over the time that it sat, but it seems to be a pretty solid little machine. Running real nice. She has oil pressure. I haven't tested the PTO. Let's see if the PTO works. Yep, PTO works. Keep spinning. The clutch is a little bit sticky. It doesn't like to engage, but yeah, I should take it for a spin for you guys, eh? Here we go. This is what I mean by the clutch is sticky. You gotta kind of pull up on the pedal to get it to go. It's a little bit smoky. I don't know if you can see it or not, but she's a bit smoky of a machine here. Sitting for a while, so I don't blame her. Not as hard drive with one hand as I thought it would be. Yeah, this is what it feels like to drive a Farmall Cub. It's an interesting view. I'm sure farmers appreciated it though, being able to see the ground from where you sit, you know? Running real smooth. But yeah, that is my new to me 1950 Farmall Cub. Still got to get it home because still in my grandparents' house, obviously. Unfortunately, the headlights don't seem to work no matter what I tried with the switch. Yeah, they just don't seem to work, which is too bad, but it could just be some wiring issues. I'll have to see. Well, I guess that's about it. If you like this machine, you want to see more of it, consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss the videos. And if you like it, consider leaving a like, because I appreciate that. I'll make sure I cover this tractor more in the future, especially as soon as I get it home. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.